Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to give you a complete CapCut tutorial for a beginner. So first of all, you can see we are on CapCut.com, and in this website you will find out various information here, so you can read it if you need it. But right now we will dive into the main topic, so that's why I will discuss with the main topic. So as you can see, we have an option in here, download. So it means download means you can download the application in your computer. So if you have connection of your network or not, you can easily use it in your computer whenever you need it. On the other hand, you have another option that's called try online. So it is an option like you can do your edit as a website. Like, let me give you an example. Like, once you click over here, try online, they will redirect you to the option. So here you can select some option like Google, TikTok, continue with Facebook, then continue with CapCut mobile. So you can log in with different kind of accounts, so you can choose anything you want. So I already created an account, so I will redirect to the login page on the dashboard page. So I will dive into the main topic. First of all, I will just give you a suggestion that it is it takes only 5 or 6 minutes, so you can do it your way. It is the simplest way. So let's dive into the main topic. As you can see, this is our online editor interface. So you can see it is similar to offline application one. So but there is a difference, that is you have template option where you can find out various template here online, and you can use it for your video editing options. So such as you can choose elements from that place. You will find out various elements here, which is really makes your video more engaging if you do your editing in online. Second option, you have audio option. You can find out various audio in here. In fact, you have other option like transcript, effect, transition. Like, you have full package in one. So in this way you can do your editing. Also, you can upload your media from your computer easily. And now we will dive into the editing. So here I will select a template, or I will make a resize or layout for my video. So I will click on ratio. Once I click over here, they will give us some suggestion. We can do YouTube ads like 16:9 ratio. We can choose 4:3 ratio. Also, we have TikTok ads, Facebook, Instagram posts, like whatever size we want, we can do it. So I will choose YouTube ads right now. So I will click over here, then you can see we have the template here. So we can choose any template from that place, or we can choose a video that we made in our phone or our cameras. Then we can upload it here, and once we upload our video here, we can easily customize or edit the video. Till now this what's really called like cooling. So this what's so till now this word sounds like cool, but you need to be work on hardly whenever you start your video editing. Like, it's depend on creativity, it's depend on your experience. Although if you have little bit experience about video editing, you can do it. So I will choose a video from my computer, then I will click over here, and they will give me various options here. I will choose this one. This will be video, that's why I will click on open. Now you can see that our video has been uploaded here. Now we can do whatever we want in this video. Like, you can see when we place our video in this dashboard, they give me some option here. This one is split, this one is delete. So if you want to delete this clip, you just need to be select this clip, then just click over here. Then if you want to reverse the clip, then you can do it. Reverse mean right now it's opening from that place. When you click on reverse, it will be open from the end, and it will be end on the start. So it is really easy. I hope you understand. Then if you want to flip the video, like right now you can see that is the real video. If you want to flip it, just click over here. Now you can see the result, it already flipped. Then if you want to make it freeze, you can do it with this one. On drawback, I will mention in here. If you work on online, you must need to be clear about your network connection. You need a good network connection once you are working here. So you can see our image has been set here. This is freezing option, so you can edit it if you need it, but I don't want to any freezes feature right now, so I will not going to use in this video. So I have to discuss about more that this will be transcript based editing. So you can add your text when you are editing, like you are making a video and you also want to add subtitles. So this transcript based editing will help you throughout the process. Then you can see that split scenes option. This might exciting for you. You can add 3 videos on a row, like you have a video someone talking, you have a video you want to show the scenario, and also you have the video that is the like looking for people, like people are watching you. So it is a kind of easy way to add in this option by split scene option. So this might be sounds really cool right now for you. And second option is download clip. So here I hope if you want to explore further more, you can do it. You are invited to do, like it is totally free, Canva online. So we will dive on the new application, but before this I will give you a suggestion. That will be, you can add this template like this way. Just click here and paste it here. It is a totally drag and drop option. So once we play the video, you can see that it is running and the clip will be changed within a second. So you can add it here. If you want to add some transaction, you can do it here too. Like here, there we have some transaction in the option. You will find it in the After Effect. So you can do it whatever you want. It's totally up to you. You can add transition, you can add effect. Like it's take time to loading, so it sometimes make you some curious about this effect. So I will suggest you always use application, but in the application you might not find some option that you are finding on the online version, like transcript, effect and transition, but you will go on the work on application too. So I will paste this video also, because the clip before I posted is really little, like the time was 6 seconds, so I have no choice to select another one. And then I will add some transaction in this option. Like you can see, we have to write here in Pro option, so you are not able to use this. Before using this, you need to upgrade your plan to use this option, but right now I am working on free version, so I don't want to use this one. Then I will find out where is the free version. Just click over here, and I hope so you will find out some free version here. It will take a time to reload, so please keep watching and keep patience. As you can see, we already get some transaction here, and these are the free, where we can see we don't have any rewrite like Pro or any kind of, so we can use this transition here. So just drag and drop in the video clip between 2 clips, you just add, and now you can see the result easily. Eventually you will find out the result. Let's wait, and you can see that our transaction has been applied to our video clips. So this is so much easy. And second, I want to add some effect here. So again, the work will similar. You need to be click on the wall. Once you click over here, it will take a while, and then it will give you the option. So you can check out this option. You can paste it here. Once you paste here, you can see that our transaction or effect has been added to this option. So the effect is like this.
Talents you bring
so you can see, if you remove the transaction, just click over here and then click in the delete. Now you can see the real video, and again we are going to add the transaction here, and now see the result, and it will be totally different. Like you can see now
all the game days,
it already becomes dark on the display, so it is totally different. Once you want to use this effect, you are about to use this effect too. So you can add caption here, you can add text too. Like there we have some text which looks really nice. Then element, let's talk about element. So if you want to add any element, like you are really invited to do it. Like I'm going to use this element, or I am going to use this stock videos. They already provide this bunch of stock video in your CapCut online. That makes your life so much easy when you are editor or you are making video for you. So it's like a blessing for us to get this kind of platform, and CapCut helping us to do this. Now let's talk about application. I already installed it, and this is the application interface. You can see this is the similar to online one, but here you have like you don't have access of those stuff in here. So here you will find out this media option. You need to be upload your picture here. You just click over here and then you can see that our product has been uploaded here. You need to be drag and drop, and once you drag and drop you can edit it right now perfectly. You can change or you can
Most
do it like
companies do this.
This option in the bottom bar can totally similar to in online one. If you want to split the file, just click over here. Now you can see that our file has been splitted, and if you want to delete this file, just select the clip and delete here. Or if you want to add something like this part, from this part to this part is really important, just click on the level function, select here and click level, and now you can add level another one. So you will identify whenever you will see that this level might be important. So here we need to be add some other kind of effect, like our client asking for effect in this clip, between this clip, so it is very easy for you. Now the thing is, we are going to talk about this option. You can see in the top left corner here you have audio option. So you can use audio here. You need to find out free audio which is free for you to use this. So this video this one is free, so drag and drop here. Now you can hear the audio. So
After all,
here you can see this video audio is totally free, but the audio size is really small, so I am going to copy and paste. But if you want to zoom it, like you want to see the clip between this word, you can just zoom the track. Like here in the right bottom, just click on zoom. You can see that the platform is bigger right now, and it will be increased every second whenever you're working on it. However, you can right now see that classic and this audio platform. Now we are going to talk about text. You can see we have this text platform, so you can use any kind of text you want, which is looking really nice or engaging for you. Like here you can see that we have pro version, we have basic version, then luminance version, that multicolor version. So just explore it as you wish. Okay, and then second we have sticker. If you are a YouTuber, you just want to add your sticker here, just paste it and you will get this sticker. Just drop down here, and now you can see that our sticker has been added to our video clip. So it look really nice. So you can do it, paste it here and just decrease the size. So it's really simple. As a beginner, like you don't have any knowledge about video editing, then CapCut is the easiest and quickest way to edit your video and become a content creator or a professional video editor. It is a good to go option for you. Then you can find out some effect here. You can see that effects are really good. Then you have transaction, like you can see that this one is free, this one is free. You need to find out the free version, or if you are really excited about to use pro, you can buy a premium plan too. Then you have caption. Caption is sometimes necessary for you. You will override some text, so I hope caption will be also for you. And if you want to explore furthermore, you will find out adjustment option. This is a really amazing option. So like custom adjustment, you can change the color, you can change whatever you want. Just click over here. You can see our custom adjustment has been added to this place. So here in the right corner you will find out the custom adjustment option. So you can change the color, you can change the curves, you can change whatever you want, you can change the mask too. You have everything in your control, so you can do whatever you want right now. I hope this video might help you to understand about beginner level of knowledge about CapCut. And if you found out this video is helpful, or if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment box. And if you watch this video till the end, even though you are not focusing on the video, I will suggest you just appropriately finish this video, and you will learn lots of knowledge from that video, and you will understand everything about CapCut. As a beginner, I can challenge you. And don't waste further time. I will just give you a little bit suggestion, that is video editing is a whole area industry. So you have a great opportunity, or you have a great career opportunity for you. If you want to learn your editing then just go with CapCut right now. Then you can shift other platform if you need it, but you can easily edit your product, I mean the clip, in this CapCut. If you really found out this video is really helpful for you, then actually don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.